In this video, I will show you how to get Benton Arrival of Aliens on Roblox. Step 1. Open the Roblox app on your phone or desktop, or visit roblox.com and sign into your account. Step 2. Tap the search bar and type Benton Arrival of Aliens. Typing the exact title can be more helpful. Step 3. Switch to the Games tab if your results show mixed content, then looking for the matching game. Check the thumbnail and developer name so you pick the right one. Step 4. Tap the game, then press the big play/join button. And on mobile, it may show a start, then press that. Step 5. If the game requires Robux or access, follow the on-screen purchase steps, or go back and try another result if you don't want to buy. Then lastly, wait for the Roblox to load the game.